guys, welcome back to Kaden Says Be You, and today I'm going to try out my new icy. Well, not mine, but it is all colorful. I don't know why I shake that, but it's all colorful, and it is like head to toe colorful, and it is colorful.
Okay,
right
stop
here.
You said colorful like the same time.
So I'm gonna taste it. That's good. I give it a B. I'm just kidding, an A. Delicious. Also, you taste the Mountain Dew. This is so good, so nutritious and delicious. Delish! I can't stop drinking this. That's how much I love it. To 10 is the best, to 100 is the best, and 1's the least. Well, 1's the worst. Honk up. I would say about 100. I don't know. Maybe you took the short way.
Well, I took the short.
Oh, well then, that's weird. I didn't actually do that.
Alright, is your video done? Am I talking through your video? Hi. I'm her father. That's my head.
My burp at the same time laugh. Well, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and click on those notifications, and ring the bell